I have a crowd.
Alright, don't forget about the hole. Wait till after the ditch. There you go, left.
No, not yet.
No, left now.
Dude, it's a ditch all the way around.
No, but that hole, man. Go.
Oh, she is not gonna go for it, is she?
Is that Sarah?
No. Oh, is this bitch have a lip?
Man, don't let her catch it, Chase.
No.
Dude, your phone's on blur
Oh,
mode.
she's pointing.
Oh, he's pointing at us. I told you need to close them blinds just a little bit. Just turn them up a little bit. Turn the blinds just up a little bit. Y'all can be seen.
Alright. Do it.
I feel like we should probably maybe stop.
Why?
We need to go to Ryan's bedroom because he's got tinted windows.
Oh, yeah.
You think we're gonna get in trouble for this?
No. Well, how are we gonna get in trouble? Damn, she's cute. Look at that fat ass on her.
She's walking like a retard, bro.
I know, but she still got fat ass. We're in our own yard, bitch. Look, the fat bitch over there fucking throwing a fit. That's crazy. Somebody's gonna get hurt. I can hear it now. Now you can't like stop it. I say pull it right up there in front of them and stop it for a second. Grab the engine up and go.
Oh, who that? Look at another bitch out here. Are you getting a video of all these people?
Yeah.
I don't know what they think is going on here.
Hey, who's all on the phone? It's like they're like calling other people.
Oh, we got another one. Hi.
Yeah! 4 cars.
Who do you think they're calling?
Oh, God. Oh, shit. He's going for it. He's going for it, bro.
Dude, this guy's like serious as fuck.
Oh, God.
Look at him.
Oh, God.
Look at him. Oh, my God. Oh, brother.
Wide open, Tay. Go. Run him.
No, wait for it.
No, don't let him get on it, dude, because then we could get in trouble, I think. My lawyer skills are telling me no.
I wouldn't let him get on.
There we go.
You just throttle it up. I nailed it.
Go.
No, we gotta let him get on, dude.
You're not, dude.
We could get in trouble if he got on.
I think if he fell off and got hurt, we probably could get in trouble.
Yeah, we could.
He's chasing our damn
I know,
lawnmower.
he's chasing our lawnmower, I know, but still, there's probably some kind of law that we probably get.
I mean, actually, he's trying to steal our lawnmower right now.
Go. Toward the house. Figure 8.
You think all red wants some? Oh, yeah.
Ryan. Here, fishy. What?
Ryan's about to be like, why are you guys trying to steal my mower?
Leave my mower alone.
Go out there, dude.
Go.
No.
Figure 8.
Wait for it.
Now.
Hit it. Oh, look at the girl in the blue videotaping.
What is he doing?
Oh, should I go out there?
Yeah. Be like, dude, leave my mower alone.
Give it a gas tank. Hit it. Yeah.
Ryan, go out there, be like, leave my mower alone.
You leave them kids alone.
Yeah, Ryan, go out there. So leave my... Ryan, yell. Say, leave it alone. It knows what it's doing. It's like a rodeo.
You think the other guy wants some now? What are they doing, dude? Let me mow my lawn. There's more people over there now.
Oh, fuck.
It's okay.
Oh, fuck.
Uh-oh, cops are here.
Oh, fuck.
Who's videoing?
Mine's dying. I can't.
Are you gonna make that face?
I told him it was the neighbor's mower over there at the.
What is he doing?
I pointed over there.
Oh my god! You got the cops on there?
Oh, this is the cop that arrested me, Taylor. That's the one that got me for DUI right there, dude.
Is it?
Yes. Don't let him get it. That's the same one going from OBI.
Dude, he's laughing.
I know, he's cool as fuck. But here goes another one. Hard left, hard left. Hard left, eh? Circle back. Here's again.
I'm just laughing so hard.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
The cops are coming.
Come on out.
Stay here. Put your beer in here. These cops are dying. You're right out there laughing. What is he doing? Get off my mower, dude! Dude, these cops are dying! Oh, God, dude. They want to tag team it. Does McCain know? Yeah.
And he's gonna try to put it in the ditch.
Oh, he better not.
He's gonna try to throw it down in the fucking ditch. So keep it away from him. He said, I'm gonna put it right there in the ditch.
Oh, fuck. They saw us. He's tying his shoes. He's like, this nigga. Oh, fuck. They saw us. Did they? Oh, yeah. They just pointed this way. Are they coming to us? He says my neighbor's mower over there. This nigga. I'm gonna have to kill it, dude. Oh, I can't see. Should I walk out there? I'm about to. I'm gonna shut it off. Shut it off. You shut it off. Alright. Can I take my phone? Can I take the phone out there? Oh shit, I can't cut it off. Why? It won't let me. Alright, let's take the phone out there. Come on. Here. Fuck. What's up, Guns?
Your guys' lawnmower go dead?
My lawnmower?
Yeah.
I don't know what the fuck this guy's doing. I'm just trying to mow my yard.
It's one kid's over there, man.
You get it, bud?
I just called him down from the shop. Told him to come down here and check it out. I don't know nothing about that, man.
Oh, that motor's going round and around.
I mean, what you do with a runaway lawnmower? Where's it belong at? What? Where's it belong at? It belongs. They got the owner mows these lawns out here, man. All these lawns.
That house right there?
They done mowed these lawns right here. Look, man.
Well, I mean, that house right there?
Yeah, I think he was doing a good job mowing that hill till you started screwing with it.
They mowed all that today. They mowed the hill there and everything. I've been watching it for about an hour and a half, man. Hey, don't matter to me, dude. It was doing great there for a while. Yeah.
and a couple people almost hit it.
Huh?
It went out in the street.
No, it didn't. I've been watching it the whole time, man.
In the street, he almost hit it.
No,
he's a liar then, because we watched it.
I've stood here. I called in from the shop. I stood here and I've watched it. It's not once been in that road, man. I'll put that on my kids.
Yeah, it never went in the road. We've been sitting here watching it, laughing at it.
Man, you're a regular cowboy, man. You were riding that bull.
Hey, you was gonna get it, wasn't you?
Yeah,
You should went over there and tried it at the PBR over there at the fair, dude. You were doing great.
I'm going to tip it
Yeah, it never once went in that road. I've been sitting here drinking beer watching it, man. It's
12-hour shifts.
Holy Hector.
Hey,
Just now.
it's better than fucking Comedy Central, man.
God bless.
Who made it?
Me.
Who made what?
That. So who has the control?
No.
Oh, I was driving it inside.
Okay.
But these guys, man, they're just some fucking crazy motherfuckers. This guy been chasing for like a half hour.
It literally has stayed in the yard.
That's fine.
I mean, seriously, I promise you on my kid's life,
Yeah,
man,
it never
left the yard, man. It never went.
I mean, we kind of felt bad for him, man. He was going in
Well,
pretty.
what can you do, right?
I mean,
Chasing it, you're gonna keep going.
I didn't figure we were in the wrong, but these guys over here are making a scene.
We ain't in no wrong. It's never
Once you start chasing it, you can't stop.
Can't give me no OVI on that one, can you? Hey.
You reckon you can start it back up for us?
See you driving it.
Nope. Hey.
But you can't drive it anyway. It's a ride only.
Video?
No, my camera's facing straight.
What the fuck? Man, you know that would have been a good one in the
Dude, that guy thought he had it for sure. He was like, I want to put it in the ditch.
Can I get a picture of one of you riding it?
We're gonna.
Someone else can drive it.
I mean, it's gonna go viral. I guarantee it.
I was hoping one of you guys would chase it.
No, I saw a camera phone out. I'm like, I have no part of this.
We would have sent you guys round and round.
We had one lady get on it earlier and take it for a ride.
Yeah.
I don't even know how to clear this one.
Hey,
We'll put it on that.
let's hear it. What are you gonna put it on as?